To fix T-Mobile not receiving verification texts, start by checking your phone's signal strength and ensure you have a stable connection. A weak signal can prevent you from receiving texts, so try moving to a different location or restarting your phone to see if that resolves the issue. Next, check if your phone's messaging app is set to block unknown or spam numbers, as this may be preventing verification texts from coming through. Check your messaging app's settings and ensure that it is not set to block texts from unknown numbers. Another common issue is that your phone's number may not be registered correctly with T-Mobile. Log into your T-Mobile account online and verify that your phone number is correct and up to date. If you find any discrepancies, update your information and try receiving the verification text again. It's also possible that the issue is with the sender, so try contacting the company or service that is sending the verification text and ask them to resend it. They may have entered the wrong number or have a technical issue on their end that is preventing the text from being sent. Additionally, check if you have any call or text blocking features enabled on your phone, such as No More OBO or Scam ID, as these can sometimes block legitimate texts. Disable these features temporarily and try receiving the verification text again. If none of these steps work, you may want to contact T-Mobile's customer support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide more specific guidance tailored to your situation. They may also be able to verify your account and phone number to ensure that everything is set up correctly. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue preventing you from receiving verification texts from T-Mobile. Remember to always check your phone settings and signal strength first, as these are often the simplest solutions to the problem.